Hello everyone, a very warm welcome from 4i Blends. Today we are here to share real world experience with you. So you might have learned cloud computing, you might have learned DevOps, you might have learned some automation, but still you might be lagging in a process that how to improve your skills. So for this, we are going to share one real world task with you, and you can go and perform this activity in the same way as we are explaining. And this is a task which you can go and try to get the solution for this, right? So the task which you have is to create IAM user and attach that user with a group, IAM group, using Python, using Lambda function. Okay, so let me show you that where and how you will be doing this stuff, right? But I want you to try in your own way and solve this issue. So here we have this Lambda function, right? And I hope that you know about this Lambda function. If not, some documents are already available online. So we created this Lambda function called user, and the runtime we have chosen Python 3.7. Now we are about to execute a function which is mentioned under our Lambda function. Okay, so it is going to mention the function is available in this file Lambda function, and the function name is Lambda handler. Now we are going to pass some kind of information that what kind of user we wanted to create. So that we are passing by using events. Click on this configure test events. Let's say the user which you wanted to create is admin, and the group to which you wanted to attach this user is power, and you also wanted to tag the user by using the key and value. The key will be creator and the value will be Sararu. Okay, let's go and click on save. And as of now the user should not be available right here, so let me refresh this thing. So user is not available here, and I will go back to the Lambda function and click on test. So this function has been executed successfully, and we also have logs that says user created admin. So let's go back to the IAM and click on refresh button. So now you can see the user has been created admin, and it is a member of a group that is power, which we have mentioned, and it is also tagged by using the creator and the value Sararu. Okay, so this is the activity. Now you can go and write a code for you and try your own, that how you can go and accomplish this activity. And once again, thank you so much for joining here, and I hope that you will be keep on learning in the future. Thanks.